my name's Anya and today I really want to make meringue baskets. So I went online and I found this recipe and I'm going to try and see if it actually works. And then what I was thinking is inside these meringue baskets I want to add like a strawberry mousse and maybe some grated chocolate on top. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Draw a circular stencil on some baking paper. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 egg whites, add 1 cup of caster sugar 1 tablespoon at a time, add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Continue whisking until smooth and glossy. Spread an even layer of the meringue mixture onto the drawn out stencil. Once the base meringues have been evenly spread out, pipe through a star tip in a circular motion to form a circular basket. Pipe out mini meringues and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and a half. Strawberry mousse mix and add 500 ml of cream, 500 ml of cold water and mix until smooth. Place into a piping bag. Pipe a small amount into each basket and add a crushed mini meringue into each basket. Pipe more strawberry mousse on top. And grate chocolate over the top. Repeat this process for all the other baskets.